In your online courses, you may also give assignments, which are homework sort of things to develop your learners' critical and analytical skills. And with the help of assignments, students are expected to gain knowledge on their own. So, let's see how to create an assignment in a course. As with other type of content, it can be created in a chapter of a course. As always, we are seeing the demo in the backend of our demonstrative online academy, which is meant for the admins. In the front end, you can make the courses from here, while if you have the admins access, you can go through the manage to the backend and create the courses from there. Now let me clarify here that interface in both front end and back end is identical, but only those with the admin's credentials can go to the back end, while co-teachers will be able to create courses from the front end of the online academy. And here is the back end. So, as with other type of contents, assignment can be created in a chapter of a course. So, in the learning content, we click the courses and we land in the page where all the courses are visible. And we will see how to add an assignment in this course called Thorough Online Course. So clicking the title will end up on the curriculum of the course with all the chapters and lectures inside it. And in this, there is a chapter named Concept 3, and here we wish to add an assignment. So in the bottom of the chapter module, we have add lecture, add quiz, and add assignment. So to add an assignment, clicking add assignment will land us to a page called create new assignment. It has two tabs, namely basic info and questions. As obvious, one should start with the fields in the tab of basic info. And here, the fields having the red asterisks are mandatory to be filled. So in the name field, the name of the assignment has to be filled, and this name will be visible to the course learners in the curriculum itself, while the rest of the things which are put in through the rest of the fields are visible in the page of assignment to the learners. So for example, I am making an assignment with name as make a chart of minerals found in India. Then below the field of the name is the field of the description, where what the assignment is all about is to be inputted. Let's have a quick look on this fields editor, which is quite rich, where you can insert mathematical equations, images, links, and format the text as you desire. So I am here putting a simple text. Further down below is the section for the assignment instructions, where you may need to fill the description field mandatorily, as it has got a red asterisk. Here also you can see it has editor with the same features. So I am putting the instruction in the simple text. Then you may add instruction video, and if you have any resource file which may help the learners in their assignment, you may add it also. So here I am adding a video which explain my learner to how to approach for this assignment, and a resource file which is a PDF. So here we go with both the files. Both of these things are visible to the learner in the assignment page, and they can also download the resource file, which we will see later in the video. Then down below, click the save and continue button to complete this basic page. Then you are automatically landed on the questions page, where you can add questions related to the assignment. As you can see, it may also help you if you want to transform this assignment to a typical homework as emulated online, and you can enter n number of questions in it, and even add one attachment which again the students can download. So I am putting a question: where in India uranium is found? I am adding an attachment. Then further I want to add one more question. So I am clicking this blue button, add more question. As you can see, this question has appeared in the question list, and you can even put an answer to this, which will appear to the student after they have attempted the answer of your question. This will help them learn better. Or you may edit the question or delete the question. So I am adding another question: which state has most mineral reserve? And I am attaching a file. Click save and exit, and you will land in the curriculum editor page. As you can see, in the chapter named Concept 3, this assignment has appeared. It has got the name Make a Chart of Minerals Found in India. Now we will see how this assignment will appear for the learners. So let's see the assignment which we have just created from the point of view of a learner. So here we have come to the online academy, and this is the landing page of the course called Thorough Online Course, in which we have just created an assignment. This is the assignment named Make a Chart of Minerals Found in India. Since I am already logged in and had already subscribed the course, the green button of Start Learning Now has appeared, clicking which we land on the course learning page, where again the curriculum is visible with all its chapters, lectures, quizzes and assignments in it. Here again, this is our assignment. Since this course has a setting where the learner can approach any lecture randomly, so I am directly going to the assignment named Make a Chart of Minerals Found in India in chapter 5 named Concept number 3. So clicking the assignment will land us to the assignment page, and this is that. On the top you can see the title of the assignment. Then there is description and instruction has been inputted by us. Remember, we can also make these two a bit more rich in the editor by adding pictures, text, formatting, links, and if required, mathematical equations too. Then here we have instruction video meant to help the learner for the assignment, and this is the resource file we had added, which can also be downloaded. Moving down, we find the number of questions asked in the assignment, which is obviously 2, as we have put only 2 during the editing of the assignment. And then below there is a green button of the Start Assignment, which leads us to the question and answer section of the assignment. So this is the question and answer page of the assignment, where learner has to answer the questions asked and can even upload files relevant to their tasks. While the questions as been asked by the teachers can have attachment also, which may serve as guidance or some sort of extra information relevant to the questions. Now remember, the editor of the answering panel is also a bit rich. That is, mathematical equations, pictures, links can be added along with the text formatting by the student. And once answers are ready, clicking the green button named Add Answer will submit the answer. So that was number 1 question, and below it number 2 question. Remember, you can add a number of questions in the assignment. And once all the answers are ready and learner is finished with the assignment, they need to press this save and exit button to complete the assignment and get back to the course curriculum page. Please note that the answer and file submitted by the learners can be assessed by the course author or teacher in the report section and can further put remarks on the answers. All these things we will see in the later videos.